Science and Engineering department. So in this video we are going to continue the previous topic called data analytics, how we are collecting the raw data into the meaningful data. So if I am collecting the data, for example student data means, so under this student data I can collect the various number of parameters called the student name, roll number. For example, I am collecting the data called student name, student roll number, then followed by semester 1 marks. So which means mark 1, mark 2 up to mark n. So this is the data. So how this file I cannot directly create this file. So what is the previous process means? I need to collect the data. So which means in the student, if I am taking as any one single class student, it may contain the 60 students count means I need to collect the each and every student name, then followed by each and every student roll number. Then after that I am moving on to the marks. So here a single faculty cannot handle the mark 1 which means subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4. So which means each and every faculty they are handling the subject. So which means I need to collect the data from each and every faculty members. So which means I need to collect every data. So that is called as a data collection. After collecting the data, I am moving on to the creating table. So which means this is the second step. So I am creating a table. It may contain the attributes called student name followed by student roll number. So whatever the subject the students are studying in the particular semester and collecting the mark 1, mark 2 up to mark n. So this is the creating a table. Then next one, here I am collecting and arranging the entire data. So this is called as an unordered data into ordered data. So in previously I can collect each and every person. So that is called as an unordered data. So here the data is ordered in the form of Excel sheet. So here if I am moving on to the data analytics, I can use the free softwares called Tableau and Power BI. Then Google work documents. So likewise I can use the n number of free softwares. So these softwares are open source softwares which I can use 24/7. It is a time and complexity independent. So here the Tableau and Power BI. So these are all the open source softwares. This using this software I no need to provide any commands in the form of high level programming language called like Java or else C or C++ program, JavaScript. So based on that I no need to worry about the programming level concepts. So here this Tableau and Power BI are drag and drop related softwares. So here I can drop so this file name is called as a student database means student DB, which means student database means. So this file name I am selecting this file in the local server or else in the local system. Just I am dragging the file into the open source software in either Power BI or else in Tableau. So after dragging the entire data, so it will be moving on to the raw data into metadata. So metadata is nothing but the data about the data. So here if I am taking this table means what is the metadata means? So this student name, student roll number, so these are all the very fundamental data. So here I am taking as an M1, M2, M3. So this common representation is course marks. So this is called as a metadata. So this M1, M2, M3, these are all Mn, these are all the individual data. So next level if I want to group the data means, so these are all comes under the course. So that's why I am categorizing in the course marks. So this is called as a metadata. So this metadata is nothing but this is the data, and one more data is described about these types of data. So that's why it is called as a metadata. Okay, so based on this Excel sheet, we are moving on to the any one of open source softwares. We can easily analyze the data in the help of pie chart or bar chart or any pictorial representations. Thank you.